Hello visionaries, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marisa Talbert. I am the founder and CEO of Talbert Law Office, your favorite go-to legal resource for all things business, nonprofit, and intellectual property law. As small business owners, we face a plethora of challenges that we have to adapt to and overcome every single day. One of the most valuable skills an entrepreneur can develop is resilience, which allows us to overcome in the most adverse of conditions. One unexpected condition that an entrepreneur could face is the loss of a business partner, which could be a very challenging and extremely emotional experience. So in this video, I want to guide you through the steps that you need to take following the passing of a business partner. Number one is to consult legal and financial advisors. You need to seek advice from legal and financial professionals to understand the implications of your partner's transition on the business. They can help with interpreting legal documents, managing financial responsibilities, and even serve as a resource for the deceased family members when it comes to handling probate and other legal matters. Number two, you want to notify key stakeholders. Inform employees, vendors, suppliers, creditors, and other key stakeholders about the transition of your partner. In some instances, this type of event may entitle you to a payment deferral or a hardship extension on the repayment of debt to provide some stability to help you through the transition. Number three, support your team members and employees. You have to find a way to support your team members and employees who may be heavily affected by the transition of your partner. This could include over-communicating, offering counseling services, and reassuring your team and employees about the future of the business. Number four is review your business agreement. This could be a partnership agreement, an operating agreement, or a shareholders agreement, but you need to review it to be informed of any clauses related to this type of occurrence. These documents often outline procedures for handling that partner's share of ownership and the continuation of the business. Number five, assess ownership and the management structure of the business. Determine how the deceased partner's ownership stake will be handled. In most cases, when a business partner transitions, their share of ownership automatically transfers to their surviving heirs. If this is the case, the surviving business owners will be required to buy out the business partner's shares in order to maintain control of the business. In other instances, the remaining business owners may integrate a new partner or restructure the entire business altogether. Number six, settle any financial obligations. You'll need to address any outstanding financial obligations such as debts or loans of the deceased business partner. This may include working with their estate, their surviving spouse, or surviving heirs to ensure that all financial matters are settled. This may also trigger filing a claim with your business insurer if you have certain insurance policies, such as a life insurance policy on all business owners or a key man insurance policy. Number seven, evaluate buy and sell agreements. A buy and sell agreement is a contract amongst business owners that ensures that the ownership of the company is managed in a way that is in the best interest of the company and that is fair to all the business owners upon a triggering event. A triggering event may include death, disability, divorce, or retirement. This type of agreement is really important for business partners because, as I mentioned earlier, if you have a business partner that passes away, in most cases, their share of ownership transfers automatically to their surviving heirs, which could be your business partner's 8-year-old daughter, or it could be their bitter ex-wife. That person gets to make decisions on behalf of now their business, and they get to also take a profit. Just something to consider. Number eight, update your tax implications. Again, as I mentioned, number one, consulting with the proper financial professionals. Make sure that you consult with a tax professional. There could be potential estate taxes, changes in tax filings for the business, or other financial considerations. So just make sure that you are staying up on those tax implications. Number nine, securing business continuity opportunity. As hard as it may be, you need to have developed, or you may have to develop, a plan to ensure the smoothest operation of your business during this transition period. This may include temporary management solutions. It might include reassigning responsibilities. It may include stabilizing key business functions. Hopefully, it does not include shutting your business down. Also, you want to take a moment to update your business filings, your contractual agreements, and other legal documents to make sure that they accurately reflect the new ownership and or management structure. And lastly, number 10, evaluate your business strategies. Obviously, during this transition period, it's going to be a time of making necessary adjustments and reflecting on the strategy and the way that the business is operating. The loss of a business partner may require you to identify new goals and adapt to a completely new reality. If you haven't already, it may also be time to develop a comprehensive plan for future leadership transitions to help support you in the event of unforeseen circumstances. If you're interested, I have a video on business succession planning that I'll link in the description box below. While we don't wish this on any person or any business, we understand that these are the things of life that just happen. And in many cases, we're unprepared for these life-changing events. Remember that each business has its own set of unique circumstances. But if you ever find yourself in this situation, I hope that these 10 tips can help you navigate during a challenging time of this nature. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on how to grow and manage your business. As always, this is Talbert Law Office, your favorite go-to legal resource for all things business, nonprofit, and intellectual property law. And I'll see you in the next video.